We'll start by assembling our frame. Then, we'll set our shims in the lower corners, place our frame on top of those, and secure the frame loosely to our rough opening with a few screws. Our first door will be hung on the hinges of the frame just like a normal door would. We'll install this door at a 90-degree angle to the frame with a furniture blanket underneath in order to protect the bottom of this door. We'll hang door 2 the same way that we hung door 1. With your 2 installed doors fully closed, we'll install this third door at a 90-degree angle similar to the last 2. This upper roller will support most of the weight of these doors. Now we'll install our upper faceplate and be done. Follow along for more helpful tips, how-tos, and inspiration ideas with Pinkies.